Is free payroll software right for you? Free payroll software is much simpler than payroll options like Gusto and SurePayroll. It doesn't have the same customer support, employee benefits, security, or ease of use. You can check out paid payroll options, including affordable payroll solutions with lengthy free trials, on our review of the year's best small business payroll software. The bottom line: as one of the most fully featured free payroll programs for small businesses, Payroll for Free is our top free payroll software recommendation. Additionally, TimeTrex Community Edition offers nearly as many features as Payroll for Free with great time tracking. HR.my's free payroll app and availability in 65+ languages make it a good fit for international businesses. If you're already using Microsoft Office Suite, Excel Payroll is a cost-effective pick. And finally, if you need just a calculator with paycheck printing capabilities, try eSmart Paycheck. Keep watching for more info on the year's best free payroll software for small business owners. Number 1. Payroll for Free, best overall. Payroll for Free is easily the best free payroll software for businesses with fewer than 25 employees. Most importantly, Payroll for Free has more payroll features than any other free payroll provider. Federal, state, and local payroll tax calculations, pre-filled tax form access, basic payroll reports, employee self-service portal, paid time off, vacation, and sick time accruals. Along with calculating employee paychecks on a variety of payroll schedules, Payroll for Free calculates payroll taxes, then autofills the tax forms for you. And if you'd rather not deal with filing payroll taxes at all, Payroll for Free charges $15 a month to take care of it for you, which is less per month than most paid payroll software. Unfortunately, Payroll for Free doesn't have a free mobile payroll app. If you want to run payroll on the go, you'll probably need a provider with a solid payroll app like SurePayroll or Paychex. Plus, you can only run Payroll for Free on a Windows operating system. You can use Payroll for Free on a Mac, but only if the Mac is running on Windows software. Finally, Payroll for Free has one crucial hidden fee. If you run direct deposit through Payroll for Free's bank instead of your own bank, you'll be charged $15 a month. Number 2. TimeTrex, best time tracking. TimeTrex's free open-source payroll software is perfect for business owners who want smooth time tracking integration with basic payroll features. Those basic features include paycheck calculations, direct deposit options, tax form generation, and employee access to pay stubs. TimeTrex also syncs nicely with other payroll providers, including ADP and QuickBooks Payroll. If you want to use TimeTrex's open-source payroll software or track your employees' hours for free, it's easy to sync that data with some of the most popular online payroll software in the world. TimeTrex has some paid plan options that aren't open source, but unlike Payroll for Free, TimeTrex doesn't have clear, transparent pricing on its site. Plus, and this is true of Payroll for Free as well, TimeTrex's interface is serviceable, but that's about all it is. If you want payroll with an easy setup and low software learning curve, a paid payroll provider like Patriot, QuickBooks, ADP, or SurePayroll will work better for you than open-source free payroll from TimeTrex. Number 3. HR.my, best for global businesses. If your global company works with international contractors, HR.my is one of the easiest payroll providers to use. Unlike the majority of payroll software, both free and paid HR.my's payroll software is available in 65 different languages. Rippling also processes payroll internationally, but it starts at $8 per employee. Like Payroll for Free and TimeTrex, HR.my includes PTO management, attendance and time tracking, and payslip generation. Employees can also request leave and clock in and out using HR.my's free payroll app. However, HR.my isn't based in the US, which means the company isn't required to comply with US labor laws. Like most free payroll services, HR.my doesn't have a dedicated customer service team. And while the online payroll service has a handful of HR features, such as leave tracking, it doesn't have the robust human resource management bigger companies need to support payroll. Number 4. eSmart Paycheck, best calculator-only software. eSmart Paycheck offers two plans, a paid plan with basic payroll features, and a free paycheck calculator. With the free option, you can calculate your employees' gross wages, then deduct taxes and other withholdings to get the right net pay amount. You can't use data from the calculator to autofill tax forms or submit money for direct deposit, but you can use it to print paychecks and payslips. In other words, if you're fine handling taxes on your own and don't need direct deposit access, Ismart Paycheck can help. However, Ismart Paycheck's free plan doesn't give you access to pre-filled tax forms. You'll have to manually transfer the platform's calculations to your own tax paperwork. Also, Ismart Paycheck doesn't save your payroll data or help you track year-to-date payroll taxes. With all of these limitations in mind, the company works best for small business owners who want an easier way to calculate net pay, create free pay stubs online, and quickly print real payroll checks. Payroll for free is our top free software recommendation, but if you're fine with open-source software, then TimeTrex Community Edition offers nearly as many features as Payroll for free with stellar time tracking integration. For those with international operations, HR.my's free payroll app and availability in 65+ languages make it a good fit. If you're already using Microsoft Office 365, Excel Payroll integrates seamlessly with your existing payroll software. Finally, if you need just a calculator with paycheck printing capabilities, try Ismart Paycheck.